Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I am discuss with you about the partnership. What is the meaning of partnership? A partnership is a form of the business organization in which two or more individuals agree to form a business by a pooling their resources and they share the profit between them. पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस एक पार्टनरशिप एक ऐसे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कि दो या दो से अधिक व्यक्ति के इंडिविजुअल कंसर्न के या एग्रीमेंट के थ्रू जो है वो चलता है। इसमें दो या दो से अधिक लोग आपस में यह कंसर्न करते हैं कि वो बिजनेस को चलाएंगे और बिजनेस में होने वाले प्रॉफिट को आपस में बांट लेंगे। तो इस तरह के किसी भी फॉर्मेट के बिजनेस को, इस तरह के किसी भी फॉर्म्ड बिजनेस को हम लोग पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस कहते हैं। एक्चुअली पार्टनरशिप इज अ कंसर्न बिटवीन द टू एंड मोर देन द टू persons who have agreed to pooling the business and share her profit. So these types of the business are called partnership business. Let us try to the features of the partnership business. Features of the partnership business is first governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932, governed by Indian Partnership Act. That means all the rule and regulations is the followed by according to the Partnership Act 1932. All the directions and all the rule and regulations of this firm is maintained by according to the Partnership Act 1932. Next is liabilities of the partner is unlimited. All the partners have unlimited liabilities because all the partners are responsible for the business. No partners say to I am not responsible to taking any work and any steps for the business favor in the business. So all the partners are unlimited liabilities. Just like when you consider about the sole proprietorship business, the one person are responsible for this business, but there is all the partners are responsible for the business for any activities. So all the partners liabilities are unlimited. Next, business risk and the profit are shared. All the partners must be share the profit, but only not share the profit. He taken the risk of the business, just like a investment risk, just like a marketing risk, just like decisions making risk. So many risks are available in the business. So all the partners are equally responsible to the taking the risk in the business. Decisions are taken jointly. No individual partners taking any decisions for the business. All the partners concern each other and take the decisions uh, jointly. Individual partners not taking decisions to started a business, to investment a business, to investment in the markets, so other no decisions are individuals make behalf of the all the partners when authorized he taking the decisions, but generally all the partners are generally meet to each other and they take the decisions what is useful for the business. Lack of continue to existence. There is so many litigations as created in the sole proprietors partnership business due to the fractions of the thought, due to the no considerations about any topics, and the no makes us sure about any points the partners have created the friction in the business. So it's more possible to the business not long lasting due to the uh, all the partners not agree same points and there are the reasons are available, but basically we say that all the partners more times are not agree between each other. So these times no decisions are made by the partners and it is a cause of the dissolution of the partnership. required minimum 2 adult members. It is very necessary to continue the partnership business. Minimum 2 adult members are in the partnership. Otherwise, adult members are not available. How can it possible? It is not possible. Minimum 2 adult members are in a partnership business. So partnership business require 2 minimum members who are adult. It must be all the partners are adult who participate in a partnership business. Okay, thank you. We discuss next topic in next video.